Hello, everyone. Today, I will tell you a powerful and inspiring story. This is a story of a boy who had nothing, but he had a big dream. That boy became one of the greatest football players in the world. His name is Cristiano Ronaldo. Listen carefully and try to understand every word. Cristiano Ronaldo was born in Portugal. He was born in a small city called Madeira. His family was very poor. His father worked as a gardener. His mother worked as a cook. They did not have much money. Sometimes, they did not even have enough food. Life was not easy. But Cristiano had one thing, a big dream. He loved football. He played football every day. Morning, evening, night. He did not get tired. He only wanted to play. Cristiano was very different from other children. Other children played for fun. But Cristiano played with passion. He wanted to become the best. He ran faster. He practiced longer. He worked harder. Sometimes, other children laughed at him. They said, "You cannot become a great player." But Cristiano did not listen. He believed in himself. Backhand index pointing right. I believe in myself. When Cristiano was young, life became more difficult. His father had a problem with alcohol. His family struggled more. Cristiano felt pain. He felt sadness. But he did not stop. At the age of 12, he left his home. He moved to another city. He was alone. No family. No friends. Only a dream. Imagine a 12-year-old boy living alone, chasing a dream. Cristiano trained very hard. Every day. No excuses. Sometimes he cried. Sometimes he missed his family. But he never gave up. Never. He said, backhand index pointing right. Your love makes me strong. Your hate makes me unstoppable. He practiced more than everyone. He woke up early. He slept late. He focused on one goal, to become the best. Slowly, people started noticing him. His talent was special. His speed, his skills, his confidence. Everything was different. He joined a big club, then another big club, and then he became a global star. The whole world knew his name. Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano won many trophies. He became one of the best players in history. But he did not stop working. Even after success, he trained every day. He improved every day. This is a secret. Success is not the end. Hard work never stops. Backhand index pointing right. Hard work never stops. What can we learn from Cristiano Ronaldo? We learn, never give up. Believe in yourself. Work hard every day. Stay focused. Your life can change. Your future can change. But you must take action. Start today. Start now. Say this. Backhand index pointing right. I will not give up. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this story, keep practicing English every day. And remember, you can achieve anything.